A name once synonymous with French watchmaking excellence is back. Founded in 1785, L.Leroy was a giant in the world of marine chronometers and high complications. After years of dormancy, this historic brand is ready to write its next chapter, and it's starting with a bang. At Geneva Watch Days 2025, meet the L.Leroy Osmior Bal du Temps. This isn't just a new watch, it's a statement. It represents L.Leroy's strategic return to the pinnacle of haute horlogerie, focusing on limited series, high-complication timepieces. Aesthetics are a nod to the past, with a classic Osmior barrel case and a fully open-worked dial. In a tribute to L.Leroy's historic tacked watches, time is read with a single central hour hand. The minutes, however, are a true spectacle, communicated acoustically through the minute repeater. At 6 o'clock, a mesmerizing flying tourbillon spins beneath a bridge shaped into the L.Leroy monogram. This mechanical heart is the hand wound caliber L601SQ, developed exclusively for L.Leroy. With 321 components, it delivers a powerful 90-hour power reserve and a minute repeater that strikes the hours, quarters, and minutes on two circular gongs. The Osmior Bal du Temps is an impressive rebirth for a storied name. It's available in red gold, platinum, or titanium, each paired with a hand-stitched alligator strap. This is a watch that doesn't just tell time, it celebrates it. A dance of time, both beautiful and complex. Do you think of this magnificent comeback? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exclusive looks at the world's most incredible timepieces.